officially riding season again, so it is March 1st in South Carolina. So let's get going. This is about my, gosh, I don't even know, like 4th year doing YouTube, maybe. And you know, most of my rides consist of me not talking, which I kind of enjoy because basically I'm just going out for a ride and I don't focus on the whole I guess entertainment portion. I just focus on my riding and what I'm doing. So I have noticed that the videos that I usually talk in actually do better. So I have noticed that. Maybe make this more personal and, you know, make you feel like you're along with the ride of just not only with the bike and the views and the ride, but, you know, kind of what's going on in my life. I guess you guys enjoy that, so I'm gonna try to make it a little more appealing as a personal side. And yeah, I got a lot of work to do and a lot of thoughts already for this year and what I'm gonna do, so hopefully it all pans out well. And honestly, I just hope it's fun for y'all. So I'll tell you right now though, I feel like I got to get a little bit more comfortable on this bike again. I feel like that's pretty normal after taking time off. This bike is a million times better with this exhaust, and I can't emphasize that enough to urge you guys to, if you have the same bike or the newer model or whatever you got, get an exhaust. But, you know, as far as the channel this year, I definitely want to put this thing in the back of the van and go up to North Carolina or around Tennessee a little bit more. And because the truth that hurts is that I'm just gonna have to travel a little bit with the van to get some better roads. And I'm definitely gonna have to work on wheelies again because I feel very uncomfortable doing them. Oh man, so just a lot of experience back on the bike again is just gonna be the only thing that helps. Looking at this again, because this is where I went straight instead of turning, but looking at it again, it's like, wow, that is so easy to do here. So good. Grab these vines and Tarzan my way up these trees. usually get all the way over and then turn back and try to commit suicide. So. Listen to the rumble a little bit. You healthy girl. Healthy girl. Yep. Is gone apparently. I feel like I've gotten so much slower over time. It's like, is it just because I'm getting older? Is it because, you know, I care about my future? Not to be mean, but like at a point in time when you look back at my fastest riding, I was a single male with nothing to lose. And things have changed since then, obviously. I don't know how much you keep up with it, but I'm a married man now, and you know, there's just a, you know, little more to live for. So my biggest goal this year, I'm gonna tell it now so that way y'all can hold me accountable, is to get a dang track day in. I want a track day, man. Oh, I gotta work on these wheelies, man. I gotta get them down. I would love to hear like what it sounds like from a distance behind, like how loud it sounds, because this is, you guys, this is a race exhaust, so I bet it just sounds so good when you're just quick shifting, pa, boom, ba, bang, you know, like orgasmic. And I tell you, again, this exhaust, it turns this bike from a weed eater to an R1. That's the sound difference. A weed eater to an R1. So what do you want to ride with? I got called gay with my stock exhaust from a Ducati dealer. So after that, I was pretty offended and wanted to change my ways a little bit. Your bike sounds gay. Ah, man. I gotta change something. Beautiful. Once these start sprouting and turning colors, man, that's when you know it. It's like it reminds you, oh man, yeah, South Carolina is gorgeous. But I'm gonna vibe the rest of the way. I feel like I've talked enough, maybe a little too much, so I'm just gonna vibe, and if this video or this cut part makes it into the video, then oh well. But I'm gonna vibe right now, so I hope y'all enjoy, and give me a subscribe and a like and a comment. Y'all take it easy.